G'day everyone, today on the show we're going to draw
a bee from the Minecraft movie.
A bee from the Minecraft movie. Okay, let's go.
Woo. Woo.
So first of all, we're going to draw one of the bee's eyes. Now, we're going to put two eyes sort of here. So do the first eye here. All right. And it's going to be a rectangle. So you're going to go down, around and up like that. And try and curve the edges. Instead of it being like straight edges, let's curve them. You can curve it later on actually.
Yeah.
Good job. Now we're going to do a highlight in this corner here. So draw a little rectangle into there. B, his eye. Cool. Now you want to color in this part here in black. Don't color in that highlight. Awesome. Now we're going to come over here just a little bit and do the same thing. Do another rectangle, like so. And then in the corner, we'll do a highlight again, a small rectangle. Yep, and then we color in this black. Good job, Phoenix. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do Bee's mouth. So he's just smiling like so. So it's just a nice U in between both eyes down on the bottom. Now what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line here to form out a part of his head. Yep, and then we're going to do a curve and follow that line to about there. Yep, and then we're going to do another curve, follow that line to about there.
Looks like we're drawing a creeper.
Yeah, kind of easy part of the creeper family, isn't he? The Minecraft family. We're going to curve it in again and go all the way into there and curve it over to there. Very good.
Wow.
Now, we're going to do the body of the bee. This is just going to be a straight line extending from here. I'm going to curve it into there. Yep, it's a bit of a curve. The same thing on this side.
Salami.
Right into there and into there, curve it into there. Yep, and then we just want to connect these lines together, these curves.
Looks
like so.
like a Minecraft salami.
Now we want to do on his body the stripes of the bee. So we're going to go a curve like that at the top and then go down and then curve it back into the bottom of the body. And then we're going to come over a little bit, do the same thing, curve, down, down, and then there. Now, I'm getting a bit wobbly here. Don't get wobbly, try and go straight.
Don't go wobbly.
Okay, we'll go down, straight, and then curve in like that. So these are going to be colored in different colors, like obviously the yellow, the brown, yellow, brown, when we get to that. Now the next step is we're going to do the bee's antenna on the top of his head. Now you want to come over to here and do a line up like that. Yep, and we're going to go a line and an angle down the way. Yep, and then a line down like that. And the cool thing here is we're going to just draw a little square here. So go one line like that, coming out to form the antenna, a line down like that, and then a line into there. And now we're going to do the other antenna over this side. So we're going to go line up to there, and then we're going to draw a line and an angle up the way. Cool, Phoenix. And then down. Good job. And then again, we're going to do this sort of rectangle square over here. So line that way, down, and then in. There we go. That's looking good, people.
Woo.
All right, next we're going to do the bee's legs. Really easy. You're going to start over here at the bottom of his face. One line down like that. And come over a bit, another line down like that. And then all you want to do is you just want to you can do a curved line just at the bottom like that.
Curve it off.
Curve it off. And we're going to do the same thing again. Line down to here. Line down to there. Curve it off. Now we're going to do the same thing again over here. One line down there. One line down there. Yep. Curve it off. And we'll do one more. Good luck. 4 legs. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what's the next part, Phoenix?
The wings.
The wings. We're going to draw the wings of the bee. Now, we're going to come underneath this antenna here on the top of his head. Imagine there's a line that starts here, connects into the antenna. This imaginary line goes underneath. And you're going to keep going as like that. And then we're going to go curve it back in like so. That's one of his wings. Cool.
Flappy, flappy.
And then we're going to come over to here, start around here and do the same thing. So we go up, round, and in like that. And then what we'll do is we'll do a line into there. And we might do another line just here. Why not? And that's his wings.
Flap.
And there we go, guys. We just drew the bee from the Minecraft movie. What's the next step?
Color in.
We're going to color in. All right, there we go, guys. We colored in the bee from Minecraft. Awesome.
Woo.
How'd you go, Phoenix? I like your colors.
Very good.
Bees, yellow, brown, and a bit of blue for the wings. How cool is that? Looks really awesome.
And grey.
Nice and easy one. And grey with a little antenna on top. Cool. Had fun?
Yep.
What'd you like about that?
Everything.
Everything. Okay. Phoenix loves everything. All right, guys. My name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is
Phoenix.
And today we hope you had fun making art. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Okay, let's go.
Woo.
Look like a wiggle.
I hope you guys had fun making art.
Yeah, that's it. Okay.